Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I'm home again for a while. I don't know how long because I wasn't home. I was with my son and my granddaughter. So I don't have the opportunity to craft and make videos because I'm there and not at home. And I brought some crafting stuff with me to them, but I just didn't have the time. My mind setting was not okay there to craft. So, but I'm home again for a while. So, I thought I'd give you a little update. I have help with my Facebook group. And Sunny Cruiser, she is helping me. And I'm on Facebook now and then. I'm on but I don't comment much because my mind doesn't want to speak English. I do now, but it's very heavy at this moment. So it will be a short video. I have 6,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I promised you a giveaway, and I will do that when the time is there. When I'm back home and everything is okay. Back home permanently and everything is okay and my mind is clear again, I will do my giveaway. I promise you that. Thank you so much, everyone, and for your support and commenting and whatever. I appreciate it very much. I closed my Etsy shop for a while because I can't do the orders now and I can't solve problems or something that happens on Etsy. So I just closed the thing and for a while. It's not gone, it's still there. And I hope I will open it again. But not for now, I will leave it that way. I got my scrap sampler from Jacqueline Araya from Italy. Thank you so much, Jacqueline. I will unpack it here. And I got some happy mail from Tommy Coulter. Thank you so much. So nice of you. And, it makes me happy. I didn't open it yet, so I will do that now. The first thing I will open is from Tommy, because that came first. I have no clue what's in it. I hope I can open it this way, because when I was with my son there, and I did a stupid thing and I fell with my back to the table, and it hurt very much. It still hurts, and that's 3 weeks ago now, but it still hurts. So I'm not even sure if I can craft, because my hand hurts and my arm hurts and my back hurts, my shoulder hurts. Oh, this looks promising. I don't dare to cut because I won't. Oh, this is so beautiful. Thank you, Tommy. Oh, this is great. This is so beautiful. Oh, thank you. This is a little note, I guess. Yes. I will read it. Happy mail from Happy mail. Thank you so much. I will read it. I'm so happy to be part of the Happy Mail. I'm not a great journaling sort of new at it, but I try hard. Oh, my stuff is not perfect. Oh, I think it's perfect. But I hope you enjoy it. You can possibly deconstruct, alter or add or subtract from and make it your own. Oh, I love it so much. No, I don't do anything. It's perfect. Really, it is. Oh, I want to make something like that too. A little note. I love it. I hope I'm in frame. Yes, I am. Oh, this is great, Tommy. Ah. Ah. Oh, I certainly will use it. I love it. Thank you so much. This is nice, happy mail. Oh, this is Volendam, Amsterdam, Holland. And this is England, Southampton. Oh, great. Thank you so much. I love this. It makes me happy. Thank you. Thank you, Tommy. Love it. And now my scrap sampler from Jacqueline. I think I can do it this way. Hello, honey. A warm greeting from Italy. Oh, thank you. I was very happy making this collection for you. Enjoy. Thank you, Jacqueline. Oh, this is the scrap sampler. I love scraps. Really, I am. Oh, a little bag. Oh, beautiful scraps. I love this. Oh, this is cute. These are pockets. That's a nice idea. Beautiful papers. Ah, now I'm rich. Ah, I love it. Beautiful stuff from Italy. Thank you. Oh, I can use that. I can use it all. I still have more happy mail and scrap samples and whatever I got from people from my Facebook group. Thank you. Oh, beautiful napkin. And I will unpack that too. I didn't do that on camera, I think. No, I didn't. Oh, I didn't forget, but I did forget. Not that I got it, but I forgot if I made a video of it or not. I'm not sure. Oh, I love this, Jacqueline. Thank you so much. It's a lot. I love all these scraps. Beautiful papers. Tissue papers. Very special paper. Thank you, Jacqueline. I love it. Really, I do. I will do it in the envelope again. Because, like I said, I like to make some things with it. And then I use the scraps from one person. Oh, this was from... Where's the envelope? Oh, yeah. From Tommy. I will do that in the envelope again. And I have another envelope. It's been weeks, I got that weeks ago. I got 2 envelopes. One from Tommy Coulter too. I did a video on that. But I got from Catherine Kurth. I got this envelope. I did open it. And thank you so much, Catherine. It's been a while, I know, and I promised you I would do a video about this. It's stuck. Oh yeah, a scrap sampler. Oh, beautiful. Oh, Catherine, this is so beautiful. Little doily, crochet doily. And this is a scrap sampler too. It was not my swap partner. I got this as Happy Mail. I'm waiting for one scrap sampler from, I don't know where from, India, I think. I'm not sure, but well, the COVID is very in the way, so I will wait, and it's not a big thing. But this scrap sampler I got from Catherine, just as Happy Mail, and well, it's beautiful. I'm a bit confused, sorry. My head is not working that well. Oh, this is beautiful. All kinds of little butterflies on a not a napkin, tissue. How do we call that thing? Where you blow your nose with handkerchief, something like that. I can't get it right anymore. Oh, this is okay. And these are stamps. Love it. With some washi tape. And this is 20 snapshots from Amsterdam. I love it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Ooh, my nose is itching again. Oh, I didn't do that. Okay, but I will do that later. And now the scrap sampler. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, this beautiful piece. With little butterflies. Oh, I love it. I love it. All kinds of papers. It's a kind of wall. It's paper. It looks like wallpaper, but napkin. All kinds of scraps. Oh, beautiful. Embossed. Beautiful papers and some fabric. Oh, I like it so much, scraps. It's always a surprise. And I love making stuff with it. Beautiful. Oh, this is from Edith Holden, I think, in German. Love it. Okay. Thank you so much, Catherine. You're all so kind to me. You're spoiling me. Or did I do a video about that? I'm not sure. I'm so confused. I will see on my computer. That's over there. I did something with a... When did I do that? I'm just looking. Phew, that's a long time ago. Oh, from Jackie. Oh no, that was another video. Oh, that was from Jackie Hudson, yes. Well, no, I didn't do this one yet. I saw it before because I opened it, but I will do something with this too in a separate video, only I don't know when yet. Oh, shut up you. I'm talking on the computer and I don't like to listen to myself. So, thank you Catherine, Tommy and Jacqueline. And Tommy twice, but I did another video on that. So, oh, it sticks here. But I will keep it together so I know. Oh, sorry. That's my iPad. Please stay put. Okay. So, I'm so sorry. I'm wobbling. Well, I stop recording anyway. Well, it goes again. So sorry. I quit. I quit. I don't know if I have something to say more. I don't think I have. So I will be back. I don't know when. And thank you for all your kind words you sent me. And well, I'm okay. I'm a bit hurt because I fell. But well, everything is okay with me. It's very hard. Sometimes life happens. And things happen. And it's not always joy. But we'll manage. And I hope I will see you again very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.